I was looking for something that I could make a non-structural bulkhead out of for a small ski boat. This is the interior walls of the boat. I wanted it to be lightweight and rigid. This is made by a company called Coroplast, and they call it twin wall fluted sheet. It's 3/8 of an inch thick. I've cut a 1x1 piece out of it. And boy, I gotta tell you, it's pretty good. It is very rigid, especially in the direction that the flutes run. And I have another application where I'm going to need it to be even more rigid, so I'm going to put some fiberglass cloth on it. This is my test piece that I cut out of the 4x8 sheet. I wanted to make sure that the polyester resin was going to stick to the polypropylene that the sheet was made out of. And I sanded one side and I just rubbed the other side with some acetone, and both of them adhered really well. I don't think that's going to be a problem in any way. And we're good to go. I like the Coroplast sheet, and boy, when you put 1708 fiberglass on it, it is really rigid.